This is the video you absolutely must not miss today. Are you ready? A surveillance system that combines full-featured VMS AI capability and extreme reliability yet costs only half the price of Milestone? Meet the ACTI Windows NVR, a game-changer that redefines what enterprise-grade video management should look like. First, resolution up to 960 by 480. For libraries, factory warehouses, and logistics docks, image clarity is evidence. With ACTI Windows NVR, just navigate to Video Settings, select and apply resolution, and instantly view every scene in detail. It's how decision-makers see clearer and manage smarter. Second, PTZ control via serial port. From student dorms to factory lines and warehouse gates, remote control of camera movement is crucial. Configure the serial port and test ACTI lets you shift viewing angles in real time with precision. True eyes-on-demand surveillance. Third, single and multi-channel encoder support. Whether you're integrating legacy analog cameras in schools, IP cameras in factories, or a hybrid setup in logistics, ACTI Windows NVR handles it all. Add the device, select channel type, and start unified streaming instantly. Fourth, extreme operating temperature, -40 degrees Celsius 76 degrees Celsius. Designed for harsh environments, from overheated production floors to freezing warehouses. Activate thermal protection via system settings and maintain 24/7 reliability without fear of downtime. Fifth, HTTPS secure transmission. Safeguard student privacy, factory operations, and delivery data through encrypted video transmission. Just enable HTTPS, upload your certificate, and fortify your network with enterprise-level security. Sixth, digital input-output (DI/DO) integration. Connect alarms, switches, access control, or lights with triggered events. Whether it's alerts in schools, machine failures in factories, or door status in logistics, ACTI can automate your hardware reactions. Seventh, two-way audio. Communicate instantly with staff, visitors, or intruders. Unlike pre-recorded messages, two-way audio creates real-time interaction, boosting incident response and situational control. Eighth, full ONVIF compatibility. Seamlessly integrate cameras from brands like Axis, Hikvision, and more. Ideal for SIs who want to upgrade systems without replacing existing hardware. For system integrators, ACTI Windows NVR offers complete functionality, robust integration, and a 50% price advantage, eliminating the burden of expensive licensing fees while delivering full-scale monitoring. Compared to Milestone, ACTI provides the same ONVIF support, AI analytics,